All right, guys, we have Love Is All Around by the Troggs. An old favorite song. Old one, but a goodie. Let's take a listen. And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Shawn, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 right now, and then all the other lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your mobile devices, desktop computers, whatever you look on. And let's get started here. We're learning by ear instead of by note because, you know, let's face it, a lot of people learn better by ear. And maybe music was meant to be learned mostly by ear anyway. So this thing kind of starts out more like this, kind of lower. But for piano, we can also bring it up an octave. So I'll kind of show you a couple of ways to do it there. There is no piano in this, so we're kind of just keying off the bass and the guitar and even the strings that come in later on, okay? So we can start off, if we want, just doing open fifths. So that sounds probably most like the album version. So let's start with that first. So we'll do D, A, D in the left, and I'm just going to take the bottom 2 notes in the right hand. A, D, or I'll just take the A first. A, and then I'll go to D here. So G, D, G, and add a D. See, this is the simplest way you can do it. Strip down. All right, so then I'll take the D there and then go to E. What I'm doing is showing the simplest way, and then I'll show you how to add layers to this and make it a little bigger if that's the kind of sound you're looking for. Here we're just doing E. We have A, E, E, or A, E, A on the left hand. E, E, D, B. And the left hand you'll go to D, G, D, G. The left hand is just what I call an octave and a fifth. You have the octave, the D. The fifth is the A in the middle. Just because I wrote it one time doesn't mean, you can play it there too. So then we go to G, D, G, the octave and a fifth. D is the fifth in the middle. Then we go to A, E, A. E is the fifth in the middle. If you find this lesson is too hard or you're having trouble keeping up, this is not a beginner lesson. I do have beginner lessons on my website, and I actually have 79 of them that kind of take you from the very beginning stages. If you don't know anything about music, because we all start somewhere, take you through lesson 79 and get you to a medium advanced level there with those. But sometimes things are hard because we're trying something that's too hard for our level. We have to play what's in our wheelhouse, wherever you are. Find a song that you love that meets you where you are. A, E, A, G, D, G. Just take the left hand by itself. Now we add the right hand, the A, D, E. So I just played the bottom note here in the right hand, okay? Now, if you want to add a little more, what you can do is do A, D, A. I put the F sharp in parentheses because no instrument plays an F sharp in there. Even though it's a D chord, and F sharp goes in a D chord. It's kind of an open fifth sound. Now on this one, the B is in parentheses because you don't have to play it. No instrument plays it, so you can have open fifths. So you could have. So what I did there is I played all the notes except the F sharp in parentheses and the B in parentheses. Do that open fifth sound. See, if I played it, you'd hear the F sharp. Which sounds good, and it fills it out a little bit more. But sometimes people like that open fifth sound. And in the album version, it's definitely that open fifth sound without the third in the middle, just the D, A, D there. Now for here, I'm just going to do A, E, A. I should have put the C sharp in parentheses because that is also, again, an option. If you want the open fifth sound, leave it out. Just now right here, E, A, E. You go to G, D, G there, but you do E, A, E one more time. D, G, D, B, D, B. So from the beginning we have. Now, that's the kind of the second way. Now, if you want to fill it out even more, in a piano solo with this, you might want to do that. Put the F sharp in there. You can also play the F sharp there. Then we'll add a B, and we can play the B there as well. There's the C sharp, playing the C sharp. Keep with it. So that we get. Options. You can so you have that way, and then the bigger way. So that's kind of the intro there, and I do of course take you through the whole thing. And what we do, not only the chords, but I kind of key off of the electric guitar, what it's doing, and the strings, and kind of meld, mush that all together and make a nice, pleasing arrangement so that you can play this and sing with it. This old, good song that brings back a lot of memories for a lot of us, right? I'm a little too young still for this one, but I know the song and like it very much. So hope you guys had fun with this part one. See you on webpianoteacher.com, and talk to you later.